Hey, what is up, guys? This is Street Legal Racing Redline Part 2, and today we are going to build the engine. That was my recording test when I first began the series, so we will start out with I Know Man YT. So for now, we've already got the nitrous installed, we've got the engine partially built. What we're going to want to do in this video is switch out, we're going to tune the turbo. Oh, I thought there was a tuning menu. Never mind. We're not going to tune the turbo. Actually, it's a supercharger. Same difference. Centrifugal supercharger. We're going to... I guess we're going to put, like, methanol on it and stuff. Just kind of build it up a little. Pull the old fuel rail off that we tuned in the last video. We were making 200 horsepower. Yeah, 200 horsepower. I didn't actually notice that number until just now. That'll save me a lot of time. So we're making 200 horsepower now, so we should probably go ahead and throw a fuel rail on it. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we bought the fuel rail, and then this old thing, nobody needs that, it's junk. So, now we're making 244 horsepower, so let's give it a little tune. 18 to 1. Started off at 18 to 1, let's try 17. Yeah, that made big power. 16 and a half. Yep, more power. I don't know why it starts off so crazy lean with methanol. 156, getting there. 158, getting real close. What? Okay, that's not what I tried to do. Drop down one. So 158's our peak power. There we go, 158. That's our max horsepower on methanol. So, quick thing we can do, we can tune our tire pressure down to 20 psi. It will wear out the tires way faster, but when you're drag racing, if you're spinning your tires, you're probably wearing them out faster than if you're overheating your tires. Probably. I think... yeah, I think that's basically all we have to do on this car. I should have bought the Sunstrip instead. That would have made more power and a little more upgradable. We can check out what they have for transmissions, and we need a nitrous fuel rail. So, performance systems, and then we need a 4-channel ported N2O fuel rail, nitrous oxide. Pop that in. We've already got our gauges, we've got all that. Cool, alright. Now let's check transmissions, because I'd like to put in a bigger transmission that would give me a rear differential and 4-wheel drive. Although it's not realistic at all, it does work in the game. Not even close to working that way in real life. I would like to get a better transmission for sure. Let's see, 5-speed, blah blah blah. No. I don't want that. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna get an automatic transmission. It just lets me be lazy and not have to shift, which in return will probably just save just that little moment of hesitation, you know? Yeah. There's nothing on there but transmission, right? Yeah, we're good. Alright. Make sure everything's good. Yeah. Alright, that's the same amount of horsepower, still drives, everything looks good. Yeah, alright. I'm liking that. So, we can tune that up to 7,000 RPM. Where does our power really start to fall off? Power really starts to fall off at 6. So actually, we don't want it revving to 7. We want it at 6. You know, 6,250 sounds like a good compromise to me. These rear tires, we don't really care if they get traction, so we'll just have them maxed out to make sure they stay nice and cool. And we don't wear them out super fast, because these front ones, we're going to just annihilate them. They're going to get destroyed. So we'll throw the body back in the car. Take a look at our nitrous, make sure it's there. Everything looks good to me. So, looks like we're ready for another night of drags. This time, we're going to get enough money to buy a new car. That's my goal in this video. We're going to buy a new car. Ready? Let's hit the street. So, if you make it like 10 p.m., they should be out. Oh, I don't have pedals. You know, that kind of helps. Generally, having pedals in your car. So you just gotta go to running gear. I thought it was running gear. I don't think it is now. Interior, that's what it was. And then just pedals. And then you need... I think it was a 6-speed automatic. Yeah, let's see. Just gotta get, like, screwdriver, remove them. There. Alright, all good. Done. And it's still 10:34, and my hood's closed this time, so we don't have to actually get the hood pop open during a race, because that would stink. So, there we go. We're all loaded up. Not quite as much lag this time since there's not a ton of cars super close. Oh, and that's one thing I should mention. The races are almost always in a different spot. So, yeah, like, sometimes you really gotta hunt for them. Just turn it around real quick. Gotta get under the bridge. That's how you destroy your rear tires. I was just using the parking brake to slow down and just doing this. Just destroying my tires. That's a way to waste some rubber. So we'll just kind of go up through here. I'm not really sure where the racing's gonna be. Huh. We'll figure it out, I guess. I don't like all these curvy roads. It makes it hard. Because there's no, like, game controller support in this game. So you're stuck with mouse and keyboard, And you can't, like, make some of these turns in time, you know? See which way they race. Ooh, this is gonna be a fun one. I've raced here before. There is a turn in the track. We cannot beat a Burn Coop Sport. We just can't. But we can skip him and race the next guy up. That guy we can beat. So, what do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see, like, cheats and hacks? Or do you want to see, like... Wait, I'm still shifting this and I have an automatic transmission. What's the deal? That's not supposed to work like that. Please don't crash into me. Yeah, AIs really like to crash into people on this one. So, what would you guys like to see? I mean, do you want to see, like, racing, things like what I'm doing now? Or do you want to see, like, hacks, mods, glitches, things like that? Or, like, just type in the comments what you want to see in these games, and I can try to do that. Yeah, just trying to avoid the AIs right now, because they get, like, bloodthirsty. They just want to kill you, you know? It's terrible. Yeah, this is either going to be really bad or really good. We will very soon find out. I'm going to keep my finger right over that nitrous button. They might beat me. But we will see. We will see. Oh, I really hope they crash. Oh, they crashed. I bought a huge nitrous bottle for that very reason. Because, like, I can just nitrous the whole way and outrun wrecking vehicles. So I think most of the AIs are gonna wreck. So I'm gonna take on the Hauler Super Duty. If I just keep on their tail, I think I can get most of the AIs to just wreck. That's why that nitrous is so handy. Because I can keep up with cars that are just way faster than mine. And I can just kind of follow them long enough for them to crash. Because once they start to get away, they kind of just get away, you know? But if you can follow them, you can get them to crash. For sure. Alright, ready? We're doing it. There's no other way other than making it crash. Like, there's not anything I can do to beat this guy. Theoretically. Because Hauler Super Duties get fast. Really fast. So I'm going to launch in first. Nitrous out of the gate. Oh, wow! Okay, I'm actually pulling away. And now I'm feeling like I'm gonna crash because my nitrous kind of made my car start to slide. Wow, look at how much nitrous I still have left. That's pretty incredible. Oh gosh, please don't hit me. I saw him coming up on that mini-map and I was just like, oh gosh, no. And then at the last second, he hit a tree over here somewhere. Oh, there's his bumper right there. Yeah, there's his bumper. Do a quick little reverse down that. Let's see if we can get here before I have to worry about the AIs trying to kill me. There they are. I saw headlights and I'm like, yeah, I'm getting out of here. Yikes. They tend to like to go off-roading and not in the way that they should. Oops, I slid past it by a lot. I think I've basically destroyed my back tires by now. I think I'm gonna just crank down the pressure on these tires even more. Just to get, like, super solid launches. just gonna bet 3,600. I'll probably lose the 3,600. But if I win this, I'll be pretty happy. I mean, it's gonna be pretty awesome if I win. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna win. That thing's on a junk. Huh. I didn't expect it to be that junky. I mean, I'm gonna hit the nitrous pretty hard on it, but... yeah, he kinda like tapped my rear bumper and it got him off balance. And then after that, I just took the victory. Here's the thing with drag radials. I know like everybody's gonna say in the comments, why didn't you use drag radials? If I would have used drag radials there, my car would have flipped over at the end when it slid. And I can't even count the amount of times I've actually flipped a car forward. Like, done a stoppie super hard, and got it up on the front bumper, and got it to flip on its roof. Which is because I had drags. Ooh, crap. That was a little close. Just, I guess we'll race a couple more times. We're already up around the 16-minute mark, and I can beat that car for sure. Shredding. Ready? Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm not even gonna use nitrous on this one. It's not worth it. I don't want to waste the nitrous. And he's gonna crash. I see him crashing behind me. Like in the mini-map. You know, I do have a couple questions, like, do you guys want to see higher resolution or higher frame rate? Because I can prioritize one, I just can't quite do both. I tried to do both in this video with, like, 1080p, and then I tried to run 120 FPS, which works great when I'm just chilling in the garage, but when my CPU has to render all of these cars, it just doesn't quite hold up. I can hold a solid 20 FPS out here, but not much more, probably. So, ready? We're gonna race another hauler. I'm already at $24,000, and if I sell this car, along with the money I have now, ooh, that was kind of a really weird rendering glitch, because his windows are just not here. They're just not present. I can probably get him to crash if I just tap him a little bit. That was a little more than a tap, you know? Oh. Yikes, he destroyed my car? And then he won. That's just insane. I'm really surprised that I actually even made it across the finish line. I thought he would have killed my engine or something. I thought he cooked my car. Like, look at this. Oops, I don't want to hit the tree. Like, just smashed the side of my car in. Yikes. Alright, back to the garage we go. That's enough of that. So, I almost had enough to buy a nice car, and then he did that to me. Now, I not only lost the $2,000 bet, but I have to fix my car. So, we're gonna sell the old manual transmission, 208 bucks, that's good enough for me. Sell the pedals, 700. Boost pressure gauge, get rid of that. Well, it's only $23, it's not even worth it. Get rid of that cylinder head, 1,113. So we're up to $2,300 or $23,000. Make it 7 AM, and the dealership is now open. So we can go here and take a look around, see if we find It's an Ashima Z, but it doesn't have tires, so that's kind of junk. That might be alright. Maybe. That's not a terrible car. Let's see what else is here. Duhan Coyote. That thing's junk. That's just junk. But here, just in case, check the trunk for nitro. Because if it's got nitro, generally it's got like other performance features. Oh, a hauler. It doesn't have an engine though, does it? Nah, no engine. A 1.8. That's not terrible. I don't know if I can afford a project though. You know what? This car has got a body kit. This one doesn't. Like, what's the deal? What's wrong with this one? Like, it's a nice ride for that price. For 14,000. I mean, it's got pedals and everything, right? It doesn't look like it's been raced. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's in good shape. Let's see. You know, alright, let's take a look. How much horsepower does it make? 180. How much horsepower does this make? 170. I don't even care about that Doohan. 170. Actually, you know what? Just for laughs, let's check. 219, wow. That's quite a lot of power. Let's see. That's like basically the same car. Well, that kinda is the basic version. It's junk. You know, just because the price is so appealing, I almost want to buy that. But then I think, wait, hang on. Let's take a look at the horsepower number here. 180. That's really hard. Yikes, I can't decide. You know what, we're going with this one. It's cheap, it's got plenty of power. It'll be fine. We're gonna install just a basic suspension, and we will be doing that in part 3. So, I will see you in that video, hopefully. It's been I Know a Man. Till next time, see ya. Thanks for watching.